In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the authentication token in Blynk app. So if you wish to get that, then I have in here this help article from Blynk in order to get it. So this actual Blynk board includes a Blynk Arduino library. So if you want to get the code, you can actually go over and then get the code from a previously created Blynk project. With this, you can reuse your Blynk project in order to save energy. So on this, just go over right here to your Blink, click onto this hexagon shape icon in order to open the project settings. Onto the settings page, you can scroll down and find the Auth token. So here is what it looks like. You can refresh it, or if you want to get it, you can send it into your email. So with this is what it will look like, wherein you can get the authentication email directly from Blink right there. And from in there, you can create a new Blink project if you would want. And on the new project that you have, you can already get the authentication token right here and refresh it or send it to your email if you would want to as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.